Hi, thanks for tuning in. We're taking pictures in the park this morning. I'm with my friend Allison, and we got some swans in the background. We got some geese, ducks, all sorts of things to photograph. So I'm going to take you along and share some composition tips with you guys when you're shooting birds in a park. One thing you might want to try is to position the bird in the frame so that you can see the background. You want to see that horizon line because it gives you a better sense of the environment that you're in. Here I have two interesting trees in the background. So I would purposely try to include those in the frame and wait for ducks to swim by those trees. Try shooting through the grass. It adds a little bit of foreground and a soft look to your photos. Remember to show the direction the birds are traveling in, like this, as opposed to having them swim out of the frame, like this. So another tip I want to share with you guys is to just remember to get down low, because these animals are not much higher than waist level. So you want to get down low and really show the shape of the animal you're trying to shoot. Another thing is, don't shoot with any sense of urgency. You're in a park, they're not going anywhere, and you have all day. So just be calm and try to capture the mood of the animal and the scene instead of just photographing the animal. I hope those tips helped. I really encourage you guys to go out, hit the parks. It's nice to get out of the bush every now and then, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks for watching.